Hey everyone, I am David and welcome back to the channel. Imagine walking into a live masterclass with just an idea, or even no idea at all, and walking out with a complete, ready-to-earn AI-powered income asset that is already built and ready to ship. That is exactly what AI Income Engine delivers, and today I am super excited to share my honest review with you. Before we dive in, make sure you check the link in the description box right now. There, you will find my full written review article with all the details, the OTOs, the special discount offer, the all-in-one bundle deal, and my exclusive bonuses that cover different aspects in digital marketing to help you boost your results even faster with this product.
So first of all, this is Wayland, and this is what we're giving them. And again, they can set up projects, assistants, workflows. We've got a ton of assistants. I'll show you. So basically, like I said, it sits on top of everything. They install it, works on Mac and Windows. Again, let me just actually scroll down past all the JV stuff. You can say, okay, let's cover this as well. So the pre-launch starts on June 18th. The launch opens June 22nd until the 28th, and the masterclass goes live on Monday. You can go get all your JV tools, just sign up here and everything else. We can keep you up to date. You can go get your link. Obviously, the most important thing, and you will get up to a 100% commission on the front end. I'll explain that in a moment. And then 50% on everything else. But this is the masterclass. We teach them how to, pick one thing that we need to do. We also make sure they're all set up with Wayland and everything else. Then after we plan, we build. Day 3 is we're actually shipping. Day 4 is refining and then next steps. And we go on all the way through to the end. But the guarantee is at the end of this, you've got something you can actually use in your business. And we show you basically how to get stuff done. And I did censor myself there. So this is basically what you could do. It's got projects. So it has full project management, file editors, viewers, everything else all built in. So if you're creating tripwires, lead magnets, if you're creating a website and everything else, yeah, you can do all of that with this. You can actually, build software, build whatever you want. That's the whole point of this. It's got 73 custom assistants, specialists in whatever domain they're in, 176 pre-done workflows, from idea to actual physical outcome. Hey, you want to go create a month's worth of content? 2 buttons, a quick conversation, boom. It'll go through an entire workflow autonomously without you to get you to an end goal. Schedule tasks, so you can do things every day. For example, maybe you want to get your industry's summary of all the news items or anything else that's happening every day in your inbox. Boom. Couple of clicks, you're done, and it'll run every day. Pre-done self-assembling teams. So you got a task, send it to a team or create a new team from scratch, and it will self-assemble all of the specialists it needs to execute that. And you can even turn it into a standing company to run 24/7, 365. Shared memory, I could go through. So I've got over 2,200 built-in skills, all audited and double-checked and specialist in whatever they do. And boom, this is what we're doing. This is the entire funnel. So after when they register for the webinar, immediately afterwards, they get a chance to go set up and download Wayland, get it all set up before the webinar even starts. Okay. Then they have a chance to jump to the end. Even if they don't make it to the webinar or what have you, we give them a chance to go sign up for the masterclass, and I give you 100% profits on that. That's yours. Boom. I don't see a dime. Okay. Now, when they go through the webinar, we obviously give them some trainings and insights into what we're doing and everything else. At the end of that, they can join the masterclass. It's $47. And again, that's 50-50 split on that one. So basically, whether they sign up before or sign up after, you get paid. Okay. And then we go through all the usual stuff, or there is a bundle offer that they can do, and that's all cool. So again, it's break down with all the commissions. You don't need that. So there's a lot more that we're giving them in this masterclass. 5 days of video training. It's actually 7 days. I've expanded that. action plans, hands-on coaching and mentorship, Discord group, session transcript, cliff notes. Same if you've been on any of our launches, the same flow, the same go. And then there's $10,000 in prizes. So again, we split the 3 phases throughout. So anyone can win, anyone can be on those leaderboards. And then the most sales of the week, $1,000 as a bonus in cash. And yeah, there's so much in this. You can have a look for yourself. Hey, go download it yourself. GetWayland.com if you want to go have a sneak peek yourself. So again, we've really designed this to maximize your commissions across the board. It's built for the buyer, not for the hype. So simplicity, efficiency, a real outcome, low barrier to entry, proven method, and this is future-proof because we're continuously developing this. And again, if you don't know who I am, I've done over $25 million in sales across multiple platforms. Just on JVZoo alone, we've done 6.6 million in affiliates pockets along the way from ClickBank, JVZoo, and other promotions and other areas. But again, if you got any questions, ask Simon. Get ready, get your link, get ready to rock and roll. Like I said, pre-launch starts on June 18th. The launch itself, June 22nd, and then we can rock and roll from there.
Now, let us talk about what the AI Income Engine. It is a live masterclass that ends with one real AI-powered income asset. As soon as you register, Sean and his team get you set up with your own AI agent instantly, and they help you plan your first asset even before the masterclass begins. This is not just another course where you learn about AI. It is the exact method that Sean Donahoe used to build his empire, now supercharged with AI to get everything done much faster. It is the same proven process that built Wayland and the powerful AI agent he relies on to create 6-figure and 7-figure incomes, businesses, tools, books, and courses. You walk in with an idea or even without one, and you walk out with a real working asset that can actually generate money. Everything is built and shipped live in one smooth flow from plan to build to ship. Stay tuned because I am going to show you exactly how it works, who it is best for, and my honest thoughts on whether it is worth your investment. Over the next 7 days in this masterclass, you go through a complete step-by-step journey that turns your idea into a real, live income asset. On day 1, which is Monday, and they call it the biggest day, you focus on the plan phase. You decide on one thing and money map it. You brainstorm, clarify everything down to one build, plan the money path, and cross-audit the plan to kill any holes before anything gets built. You pick your blueprint, create the money map, get a live cross-audit, and join the charter member kickoff. You walk away with a named build and a fully cross-audited money-mapped plan. On day 2, which is Tuesday, the build day, the core gets built live right beside the room. You move through a brief, draft, refine, and quality gate while the AI crew does the heavy lifting and Wayland AI Agent double-checks its own work. Everything uses plain English with no code and no complicated prompts. You walk away with a built version 1 that is truly business grade because every step was audited. On day 3, which is Wednesday, the ship day, your asset goes live, public, and real. You do the final check, then publish your asset live on the internet and connect it to the money-making system. After that, you share what you built with the room. This moment creates the big identity shift, where you stop being just a customer learning and you become the operator who now owns and runs a real income asset. You walk away with a shipped live asset with your name on it. On day 4, which is Thursday, you focus on what is next. You turn that one asset into a repeatable engine by filling in the multiplier map. You learn operating systems, so you can point the engine at the next build and the next. The masterclass is complete here, but there is an optional bigger path for those who want it. On day 5, which is Friday, you get unstuck in the Q&A session. You bring what is stuck and the team solves it live on screen. They set up your weekend game plan with what to finish, the prize pool, and the Sunday deadline, so you leave with a clear path to a finished, polished ship. On day 6, which is Saturday, you join the Operator's Hour Clinic. They walk through the top 5 common problems from the community and solve them live. Prize pool entries close at the end of the day, and you polish and improve the asset you shipped on day 3. It is kept short on purpose to keep you in that powerful operator energy. And on day 7, which is Sunday, you celebrate on the closing call. People show what they built, prize winners are announced, and anyone who needs it gets a live cross audit right there in the room. You walk out with one real income asset. That is live with your name on it. Besides the live masterclass, you also get something very special the moment you join. You get Wayland. This is your own powerful AI agent that runs every tool you have. If you have never touched AI before, Wayland comes with its own built-in powerful agent. You can start using it for free today with 0 subscriptions needed. Already using tools like Claude, Codex, Gemini, and more, Wayland takes command of all of them from one single place. It holds your blueprint, sequences the whole crew, and checks every single step for you. One agent that controls every agent. It runs right on your own machine and even works from your phone. The moment you register, they point it directly at your build. You never have to touch those complicated tools yourself. You simply tell Wayland what you want built, and it drives everything for you. This makes the whole process so much easier and faster, whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced builder.
Hey there, this is Sean, and I want to show you Wayland and exactly how this can help you and your subscribers and clients and customers get actual AI that actually puts money in their pockets. Now, the problem is most AI systems, they're fancy ChatGPT wrappers and what have you, and they do a couple of little tasks. But this is something we've been using in our business, in our labs, and we've made it now consumer ready. You see, most AIs, if you're running them on your desktop, you have to get into Terminal or Shell, and if you're running Claude code or anything like that, yeah, you're forced into one vendor, one setup. Well, I created one AI to rule them all. We sit on top of everything, bring it all together with tools you can actually use and actually get shit done. So let me show you. This is the main panel. This is, it works on Mac and PC. You can even deploy it in the cloud, and I'm going to give it to everyone free. It's open source. This is the cool thing. Now, the launch is not about the software. It's how to use it. And we're going to do a 5-day masterclass on exactly how we work, how to actually, well, plan, build, ship, and actually get a money-generating asset for you, your business, and what have you. And it's pretty simple to do. We've put all the tools, all the power in here. And as you can see, we've got a lot that we sit on top of. For example, Claude Code, Gemini, Codex, the main 3. We have our own agent called Wayland Core. That's our own, well, it's a self-evolving, powerful agent that connects to everything and everywhere. Imagine if OpenClaw and Hermes had a baby, fed it steroids and meth. This is what Wayland Core is, but we'll get to that later. So as you can see, we've got everything in here. In fact, we even do so on top of Hermes Agent and OpenClaw. And we can just get it to do whatever we want to do. So I can put in anything here. In fact, I've got a couple of chats already going here. And I'll just allow, and don't ask again. I'll do this the same. Always allow. And this is actually running a couple of tasks right now. So what I've done here is go create an HTML newsletter capturing all the latest AI news from the last 24 to 48 hours. So what it's doing right now is it's working. It's actually got every chat has its own workspace. And yeah, this is running another little system, which is for memory. I'll try not to be too nerdy here. So it's right now running this on Claude Code. This one is running on ChatGPT. And this is actually going out and going to create 10 social media posts, finding the top 10, yada, yada. So it's doing the same. And it's got its own little workspace. So what I'll do is I'll also set another one in motion. And what I'll do is, let's use Grok. Okay, just for fun. go create 10 memes making fun of AI and common situations. Research them, use your irreverent sense of humor, and give me 10 memes. Okay, and that'll go off. And what will happen is, as stuff is running, you can see it in the background here. So I've got all these working. You can see all these little tabs. By the way, you can actually pop these tabs out. This one over here now, and what have you. So that's cool. I'll just put that in the background. I'll close these. I'll let them run in the background. You can create projects. So each project, again, has its own. This one is an affiliate launch one. I haven't started to chat in here yet, but again, I can then drop all my files, reference files in here. Each project has its own shared memory, and I can actually finish the setup. And what I can do here is I can choose which folder I want it to, if it's on a different drive or what have you. Give it instructions. AI will help you write it. You can set up rules and conventions, so you've got structure in your products and projects. We have 81 assistants, which are all specialists, all with their own special skills, so you can do pretty much anything. For example, if you want to write non-AI slop, boom, there's a humanizer skill for that. And again, all sorts of different categories you can see here, right? Research, build, running, customer support, data analytics. And you can actually drag and drop. You can create a little toolbar. So all of the ones you want that are most useful to you, well, you can put them right here, creating a quick, let's see, data analyst. No, I'll just grab that. So you've got all the ones you want to work with right here, including co-work. So this can do, for example, stuff on the desktop, projects and what have you. Boom, you're all good to go. Plus, of course, we got quick ones here that are quick prompts that you can just click, boom, done. All cool. All right, so you got assistants. We also have full-on workflows. So if you want to automate your business, publish blog posts and what have you, this will actually guide you through. I'll just fire one up. Say I want to create a content calendar. And which engine do I use? I'll use Wayland Core. Boom, boom, boom. What do I want to use? What model? I'll just pick, say, 5.5 and launch now. So what this will do is it will decide, okay, here's the content, da, 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 da. It's a full-on automated workflow. You can decide how you want it to run. Anything specific, so I could say it's AI focused or trading or what have you. And what it will do is it will go set up a 30-day content calendar. Boom, boom, boom. It will design everything, research everything, create all of that. So I'm actually going to tell it not to right now. So in that. Scheduled tasks. So you can set, and this is a cool thing. If I said this, and I'm just going to let it run. So this is create an HTML newsletter. What I can do here is I can tell it to do this every day. So once it's set up and I'm happy with it, I can then, there we go. That's it. It's actually generated all of that just like that. Boom. The inference. I didn't even come up with that name. Now I could tell it, I don't like that. I want images. I can do this. It literally generated all of that just like that. Now, let me come back to it and say, oh, that's great. But now I can just say, okay, create now. Describe the task. Go create agent. Okay, I'll have that be Claude Code every day. Ongoing conversation and frequency daily at, let me do it at 6 a.m. Okay, done, save. And now if I come over here to schedule tasks, that will be now appear. So all of them, go create that right there, active, and that will run now every single day. And I can do that for any AI, okay? What else? Teams. This is one of my favorite things. We actually have entire standing companies. Now, a standing company is literally a team ready to run every day or continuously doing things I want to do. So, for example, marketing agency, sales organization, customer success. I've got a wealth management one and everything else. And we have over 53 other teams. If I want to do a cold pitch, fine print, post-mortem rooms like business decision, war room, that's one of my favorite ones, a daily briefing, validation, lead magnet forge, template factories, and all sorts of freaking things. The cool thing is you can spin up your own. Now, if we don't have one here, for group growth and support stack, affiliate site engine, you can actually just go build your own. And then you can pick a teammate. So in this case, I'm going to use, let's see, coach. Okay, so that's the leader and no teammates yet. What are we going to do? I want to create a team that can be a social media growth specialist, can hunt down trending topics and news items and build viral content that can go on Facebook, LinkedIn, X with threads, and so much more. What should we do there? So doing that with voice dictation, I can also get it to suggest from that, but let's just create the team. Oh, need to enter a name. We'll call it social media growth. So you don't have to, everyone thinks, oh, Claude Code and all the rest of it, it's for building software. Absolutely you can, but I don't bloody need to. So I'm just going to use Gemini in this case, create team. And what will happen is this will fire up and it's going to go and process. It'll start and then it'll ask me some questions. And from there, it will actually decide, okay, who do we have as a team? What do we need to do? So what this is doing now is it went off and it's starting to build out and research the team. So for example, scout, writer, channels, and everything else. I kept it to 4 first. Want me to create this crew as is or change anything? Go right ahead and just for fun, call them characters from Sesame Street. I don't know why, but hey, that amuses me. So it's now going to go create the team. So what will happen here is it's going to think for a few seconds here, and it's going to start doing that. So there we go. We've got Grover, Elmo, Bert, and Oscar. So here's all of the agents created. I can go navigate to any single one of them and talk to each one, and they can start getting instructions from the team leader. Over here, if I come back. So now I can start saying, well, let's kick it off with some research. So now I can talk to the leader. It will allocate tasks to each member of the team automatically. And now you can see my little team over here. Need to load the messages first. So each one of these is now active and it will start giving, again, instructions to everyone as it goes. One on his flag. I let Groover loose, research with no defined niche because I didn't tell it a niche. So, okay. Specialist is for AI and tech news related to AI. So do make sure of that. Okay, so I just need to give it a little direction. And there you go. This message is now queued. And there we go. Grover is on it. So looking for 10 angles. And they'll say, okay, Lane, AI related news, sending Grover that focus now. So I can correct as you go. You can see over here. Now they are starting to get all of their information. These are acknowledged, copy, no task on my board, standing by. That's a team. And I can talk to any one of them, like I say, and off we go. Now, this team is over here. I can come check back in at any time. We also have full mission control, so you can see exactly what's going on in your business. So, for example, 2 pending, 10 idle. I can see my costs and everything else that I'm doing and what's doing. Now, I've spent just on this demo account here, 2.9 million tokens, about $10. And boom. And you can see I've got all these other things I've been doing and playing around with as well. This is like I said, a demo account here that I've set up, or a demo system, should I say. I can share memory. I can see exactly what's going on. I can share memory across all my systems. And like I said, this is just freaking powerful. I mean, look at this. I wasn't expecting this to be created as quick, but there, I've got a full HTML newsletter I can send out every day. I can charge for it. I mean, everything you're seeing here, this entire page, all this was built by Wayland. If you want to build anything, plan a marketing campaign, launch a newsletter, you just saw me do that in seconds. Everything is empowered with this, and that's why we're doing it. So the masterclass itself is a 7-day coaching program, if you will. We're going to, on day one, pick an asset, map the plan, what they want to build, what's going to help them. We're going to build it live, and then we're going to get it out the door. We're going to have it so that they can ship it by the end of this masterclass. And then we're going to refine it, stack the next one, basically what's next. Then we're going to do a live Q&A implementation day, which is the 4th of July. So this one is completely optional. And then day 7, we close everything down and so on and so forth. And we're going to do all this by webinar. So we're doing one webinar a day. Everything goes live on Monday the 22nd. And every customer gets Wayland for free. So here's what we're doing. As soon as they register, and it's a great incentive for you to get them to register, is on the page after registration, we give them and show them how to set up Wayland themselves. And like I said, it connects to everything. All of this is here. No matter what they want to do, what they want to build, it's all here. So get signed up. Get ready to promote. I mean, there is so much in here. You can look through this page with everything we got going on. I've just given you a small snippet of what we do. And here's the thing. The proof is in the pudding. This entire funnel, this entire launch, everything was built with me and Wayland. Just doing it to get it done. The proof is in the pudding, and Wayland built itself. I mean, so no matter what you want to do, where you want to be. I mean, I didn't even mention, it's got over 2,200 built-in skills, audited, cross-tracked for everything, highly secure. I mean, this is what we do. So there's so much in here. This is the funnel, 5-day masterclass, red carpet VIP access, the inner circle, the AI Forge 1-day intensive, and they have an opportunity to buy it as a bundle. We've got a 10K prize pool, 50 to 100% commissions. Here's a cool thing that we're doing. After they register for the webinar, we give them an opportunity to fast track, to jump to the end without even watching the webinar. And if they do, I give you 100% commission on that. And that's $27. Now, if they watch the webinar, go for the bundle, and everything else, and if they buy after that opportunity to jump the queue, then it's 50% commission across the board. We're literally doing everything we can to put money in your pockets, up to $422 per customer. And again, there's a full breakdown of everything. I mean, we give them so much. And like I said, the prize pool here, including most sales for the week, $1,000 extra. Just go get your affiliate link, get started. That's what we're doing. This really is built to maximize your commissions. And again, it's built for the buyer. They don't have to be technical. All they do is install it and get going. And again, if I just tell it to keep going here. And by the way, one of the cool things, I can also set it to full auto or full access, and it will just keep going. It doesn't ask my permission going forward. So here we go. Okay. Even while we're talking here, boom, this is now starting to build out all of the memes. And I've got a week's worth of content, social media posts. And there we go. And I can just rock and roll. And I can get workflows and teams and everything else going any given stage. It just fucking works. So I look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard. And go download this yourself. Go have fun. Knock yourself out. That's what it's all about. All right. Appreciate your time and attention. Appreciate you promoting this. Let's make some money.
The front-end offer gives you everything you need to kickstart your income asset fast. You receive Wayland, your powerful AI agent, installed right away, so you have a central workspace for planning, creating, organizing, and building. You also get 5 full days of live training, where you build alongside Sean step by step using the plan, build, and ship method. Every training day, you create real daily artifacts that become actual pieces of your income asset, so you see visible progress right away. You get daily action plans that tell you exactly what to do before each session starts, along with one clear next step at every stage. You also receive hands-on coaching during the live sessions so you can fix blockers, improve your asset, and never get stuck alone. Plus, you get lifetime access to the Forge community, where you can ask questions between sessions and keep the momentum going long after the training week ends. To make sure you get all your questions answered, there is a live Ask Me Anything session with Sean. You can even bring your spouse or partner at no extra cost so you can build together. And if your schedule is busy, you get 24-hour replay session, transcripts, and Cliff's Notes guides so you can catch up, review key parts, and reuse the prompts and steps easily. OTO 1, which is called Red Carpet VIP Access, is for those who want more personal help, deeper training, and extra time to review everything from the Masterclass. This upgrade adds longer sessions, VIP-only support materials, and extended replay access so you can get even more value from the live training. Inside this OTO, you get extended sessions with an extra 30 minutes after each main session for a deeper VIP-only dive into the topic. You also get more live application where you watch Sean and the team goes further into real implementation after the standard class ends. You receive a comprehensive workbook and toolkit with session summaries, cliff notes, checklists, and tools that help you follow the training without taking heavy notes. You also get 30 days access to recordings, so you can review the Masterclass sessions for a full month instead of just 24 hours. Plus, you can submit opportunities for trade reviews for 30 days and get feedback on profit potential and strategy from Sean or the team. And you can learn from other VIP reviews to see how other members are doing and use those insights to improve your own decisions. Next is OTO 2, which is called Inner Circle Elite. This upgrade gives you a more advanced follow-up path after the main masterclass ends. It helps you continue the momentum, build a second engine, and get more direct support over 30 days. You get 30-day cohort access so you can continue working with the group after the main event. You get to build engine number 2 and move beyond your first asset to start creating a second income engine. You also get 2 live clinics per week where you join regular live sessions for feedback, strategy, and implementation help. This upgrade gives you more accountability with a structured 30-day support window and advanced momentum so you can use the extra time to refine, improve, and expand your AI-powered asset system. Finally, we have OTO 3, which is called the AI Forge One-Day Intensive. This is the highest touch upgrade for people who want a full working day with Sean, built end-to-end, with a clear operator handoff so you can understand the full process from idea to implementation. Inside this OTO, you get a full working day with Sean, where you spend focused time going deep into one complete strategy. You work through the end-to-end build process, from planning all the way to completion. You also get an operator handoff, which gives you a clearer path for running, managing, or passing the system to someone else. This upgrade provides high-level strategy help and implementation-focused training, so you can move beyond ideas and toward a practical working system in just one powerful day. Now, do you want to grab everything for a massively discounted price? The all-in-one bundle includes the complete front-end offer, plus all 3 upgrades. You get the full front-end package with Wayland installed, then you get OTO 1 Red Carpet VIP access with extended sessions, more live application, the comprehensive workbook and toolkit, 30 days of recordings, and trade reviews. Next, you get OTO2 Inner Circle Elite with 30-day cohort access, the chance to build engine number 2, 2 live clinics per week, and advanced momentum support. And finally, you get OTO3, the AI Forge. 1-day intensive with a full working day with Sean, end-to-end build process, and clear operator handoff. This bundle is the best value offer because it gives you the complete system from start to finish. You maximize your results with everything you need to plan, build, ship, and scale your AI-powered income assets. You get the deepest training, the strongest support, and the biggest savings, all in one powerful package, so you can move faster and go further without missing anything. And there you have it, my friends. In this review, we took a close look at AI Income Engine and everything it offers. This masterclass is not just another training. It is a complete hands-on system that takes you from idea to a real-life income asset with step-by-step guidance, live coaching, and strong community support every step of the way. Whether you are just starting out or already building online, this gives you the exact process to create something that can actually generate income. If you are ready to get started, make sure you check the link in the description box right now. There you will find my full written review with all the details about the front-end offer and every OTO. You can grab the best coupons and discounts available, plus my special bonuses that are designed to help you get even more results from this system. To get the bonuses, just follow the instructions on the page after you purchase through my link, and you will receive everything automatically. Do not miss out on this opportunity to build your own AI-powered income asset with real support behind you. Thank you so much for watching. If this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and keep building. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos. Perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals. Writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7. Ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.